What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to log out of your YouTube account and switch between accounts on the YouTube mobile app. To start, make sure you're connected to the internet. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device, and once the app is open, look in the bottom right corner for your profile icon. Tap on this icon to access your account settings. In the menu that appears, you will see an option labeled Switch Account. This feature is particularly helpful if you have multiple YouTube accounts or channels under one Google account. Tap on Switch Account to view a list of accounts and channels you've previously signed into on this device. From here, you can switch between accounts or channels by tapping on the one you want to use. Each account under your Google account will display any channels associated with it, so select the specific account or channel you wish to log out from. This will set it as the active account in the YouTube app. Now, to log out completely, return to the main account settings menu by tapping on your profile icon once again. Select Switch Accounts and then scroll down to Manage Accounts on this device. Tap on it and you'll now be prompted to remove accounts from your device, effectively logging you out from your account. In case you don't want to remove any account but simply use YouTube Signed Out, then select the Use YouTube Signed Out option in the Switch Account section. This will sign you out from your current YouTube account and you can use the YouTube app. However, in order to access your subscriptions and saved content, you'll need to sign back in. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.